Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the powerful world of Anaconda in machine learning. Anaconda isn't just a giant snake. It's a comprehensive distribution designed to streamline your machine learning development process. Let's explore its key purposes in under 195 words. Anaconda's primary purpose is simplified package management, offering the Conda package manager for easy installation of ML libraries like NumPy, TensorFlow, and more. Its environment management ensures isolation, avoiding version conflicts, and supporting reproducibility across different operating systems. Jupyter Notebooks facilitate interactive coding, analysis, and documentation within a single environment. Anaconda includes essential tools such as Spider and VS Code, enhancing the development and debugging experience. With a convenient distribution of data science tools and active community support, Anaconda is an attractive choice for both beginners and seasoned data scientists. Whether you're new to ML or a seasoned pro, Anaconda's user-friendly features make it a go-to for managing your machine learning environments. If you found this overview helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights. Happy coding! Thanks for watching! Explore more ML topics in our other videos. See you next time!